Wow, San Carlos City, Negros Occidental, you've got talent!
Ang dating di makabiyahe papuntang auditions, ngayon, andito na sila sa Manila. They're students from Julio Ledesma National High School.
For the first time, San Carlos City Negros Occidental is represented dito sa PGT semifinals. At dahil dyan sa kanila, mga kapamilya, let us give it up for Synergy! From our judges and Bacor.
Parang nanonood lang ako ng Cirque du Soleil.
Ito nga, hindi ako marunong mag-bike. Ito ginawa sa ere. Parang nakakaloko naman kayo.
Grabe.
Thank you very much, Synergy. I'm sure natutuwa kayo dahil standing ovation mula sa ating judges.
Hindi po yung Synergy. Kung kulang kami kasi kailangan kami ng teamwork at saka yung cooperation po ng bawat isa.
Okay, thank you very much. Judges?
Sabi ni Friendship, ang hirap. Gusto ko magmura, kaya lang nakalatel ako dahil napapamura siya sa sobrang galing
Performance
ninyo.
niyo ngayon ay talaga namang napaka-flawless. Talagang proud na proud ako maging Pinoy pag pinapanood ko kayo. Kasi ang husay-husay nyo, tama lang dapat pumunta kayong Las Vegas at doon kayo mag-perform. Congratulations, Synergy.
Synergy, there is only one thing that I could say. You're truly amazing.
Thank you po.
Basta tayo magkasama, laging mayroong umaga. Kay ganda, pagsikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag sa ating paghaharap. Basta tayo magkasama, laging mayroong umaga. Kay ganda, pagsikat ng araw, may dalang liwanag sa ating paghaharap. Oh, haharapin natin.
Welcome back to our live grand finals of Pilipinas Got Talent Season 3. Eto, huling hihirit pero hindi magpapahuli. In English, our last but definitely not the least na finalist at hindi na lang mabilang ang mga sacrifice na ginawa nila para matupad ang kanilang mga pangarap at may ituring na eto na, tadhana na nila to ang pagsali sa Pilipinas Got Talent.
Correct ka dyan, Luluboy. Paano ba naman? Dala-dala lang naman nila ang napakabigat na props. Umaarkila pa ng malalaking jeep at bumabiyahe na mahigit 3 oras pa para maka-audition lang, Luluboy.
At mas mabigat pa dyan, hindi naging madali ang laban dahil noong semifinals, dumaan pa sila sa judges' verdict. Pero dahil sa pinakita nilang world-class at Las Vegas performance, binigyan sila ng unanimous decision ng Big Three and now making their dream a reality. The pride of San Carlos City, ang Synergy. Watch this.
Itong gabing ito, pinaghandaan po namin talaga ito. Medyo pressure na po kami. May halong excitement na rin. Yung laban po namin para sa performance ay inaalay po namin kay God, family po namin, at saka sa supporters na rin po ng Synergy. This is it. Wala na talaga atrasan. Kahit po marami na nasusugatan, motto po kasi ng Synergy na no pain, no gain.
From Negros Occidental, let's give it up for Synergy! Synergy! Yan ang dahilan kung bakit meron tayong Pilipinas Got Talent!
Wow!
Walang pa po natin once again ang ovation from our judges. Thank you very much, Synergy.
World-class performance, Luluboy. Grabe naman yon.
Pero, Diliboy,
No, go ahead, Luluboy.
ang tanong ko sa inyo, sabi nga nila, ibang klaseng salubong ang ginawa sa inyo ng mga taga San Carlos. Ano, konting kwento naman.
Nung pagdating po namin, sobrang saya po namin kasi hindi namin ina-expect na sasalubungin nila kami ng banda. At saka, yung nakaka-touch po doon is, umuulan po kasi nung panahon na yon.
Ano ang pangalan ninyong grupo?
Kami po ang Polaris.
Ha? Polaris. Polaris.
Hi, anong name ng group nyo?
Polaris po.
Polaris. Wow, ang ganda naman ng name. Kayo ba ay magkakaibigan, magkakapatid?
Schoolmates po.
Tanga. Oo. O, sige, galingan nyo, ha?
Sige po.
Polaris, good luck.
Ay, milonga de amor. Ay, temblor de gotán.
Parang ang sensual para sa edad nila.
Buenos Aires.
Nice performance.
Maganda ang performance nyo. At ito ay bago sa paningin ko kasi may mga pole dancing pero solo lang. Pero kayo, group.
Sa school ba kayo tinuturuan?
Opo.
May meron ba klase ng pole dancing? Meron?
Yung
Right?
sayaw po namin, pole tango. Pinaghalo
Pole tango.
po. Oh.
Tango.
Pinaghalong pole dance at saka ballroom.
This was very, very impressive. And yung the degree of difficulty, lalong-lalo na the girls are just 13 and 14.
Thank you po.
Amazing talaga. So ako
Thank you
boboto
po.
na ako. For me, it's a big yes.
Thank you po.
Ako, Polaris, you got it.
Yes. Thank you.
For your age, I think you did very well. It's a yes.
Thank you.
Dinulat nyo kami sa inyong talent na pole dancing. See you sa next round. Congrats. Thank you, Polaris.
pagsisikap at pagpupursige para matupad po ang mga pangarap namin. Galing po kami sa malaking grupo dati, pero kami na lang yung natira kasi may iba-ibang priorities na yung mga kasama namin. Every year po, hindi ko po alam kung saan ako mag-e-enroll. Kasi nga po, yung kinikita namin sa tindahan, sapat lang po para sa pamilya talaga namin. Ang kinabubuhay po ng pamilya namin ay ang pagtitinda ng kwek-kwek at fishball. Ngunit dahil po sa pagsasayaw ay nagkaroon ako ng pag-asa na makatulong sa aking pamilya balang araw.
Madalas po hindi nagkakanawan yung pamilya namin. Yung mama ko po nagtatrabaho dito sa Manila. At saka yung papa ko naman hindi masyadong malaki yung sahod. Itong taon nagkaroon ako ng baby, 2 na pong pamilya ang tinutulungan ko.
Marami na po kaming naging sakripisyo para makarating lang dito at marami pa po kaming handang ibigay para unti-unting makamit yung pangarap namin.
Stop me on the corner, swear you hit me like a vision. I wasn't expecting, but who am I to tell fate where it's supposed to go with it? Don't you blink, you might miss it. See, we got a right to just love it or leave it. You find it and keep it, cause it ain't every day you get the chance to say, oh, this is how it starts. Lightning strikes the heart, it goes off like a gun, brighter than the sun. Oh, we could be the stars, falling from the sky, shining how we want, brighter than the sun. I've never seen it, but I found this love, I'm gonna feed it. You better believe I'm like a vision. I wasn't expecting. But who am I to tell fate where it's supposed to go? Oh, this is how it starts. Lightning strikes the heart. It goes off like a gun, brighter than the sun. Oh, we could be stars, falling from the sky, shining how we want, brighter than the sun. Shine down, even when the lights out. But I can see it glow. Got my head up in the rafters, got me happy ever after. Never felt this way before, ain't felt this way before. Swear you hit me like a vision. I wasn't expecting. But who am I to tell fate where it's supposed to go? Oh, this is how it starts. Lightning strikes the heart. It goes off like a gun, brighter than the sun. Oh, we could be stars, falling from the sky, shining how we want, brighter than the sun. Shine down, even when the lights out. But I can see it glow. Got my head up in the rafters, got me happy ever after. Never felt this way before, ain't felt this way before. Swear you hit me like a vision. I wasn't expecting. But who am I to tell fate where it's supposed to go? Oh, this is how it starts. Lightning strikes the heart. It goes off like a gun, brighter than the sun. Oh, we could be stars, falling from the sky, shining how we want, brighter than the sun. Brighter than the sun. Brighter than the sun. Brighter than the sun. It goes off like a gun, brighter than the sun.